Hey everybody, it's Steve. It is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2020, and in this video I'm going to do a review. And what I'm reviewing is Red Bull, the Summer Edition Watermelon. Here it is, closer up. Yeah, this is the 2020 Summer Edition. Last year's Summer Edition was the Beach Breeze. It was the light blue one, which I reviewed that back on July 12th of last year. But, yeah, just got this like half hour ago at Speedway. This was like $3 and something cents. It was over $3, so Red Bull drinks are not really that cheap. They're usually more expensive, even for smaller cans. This is a 12-ounce can. Usually a 16-ounce Monster would be cheaper than a 12-ounce Red Bull. Even the smaller Red Bulls, the 8-ounce Red Bulls, I think they're 8 ounces. They're expensive. Red Bull's a pretty expensive energy drink. But here's what it says. Red Bull, the Summer Edition. The taste of watermelon artificially flavored. The wings of Red Bull. Red Bull is appreciated worldwide by the top athletes, busy professionals, college students, and travelers on the long journeys. And the nutrition facts of this. Make sure no one's nearby. I don't like people hearing me do a video. Nutrition facts: serving size 1 can, calories 160, total fat 0 grams, 0% sodium 125 milligrams, 5%, total carbohydrates 40 grams, 15%, sugars 38 grams, includes 38 grams added sugar, 76%, protein 0 grams, niacin 140%, vitamin B6 350%. Okay, good. Vitamin B12 120%, pantothenic acid 70%. Not a significant source of saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, dietary fiber, vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. Caffeine content 114 milligrams, 12 fluid ounces. Not recommended for children, pregnant, or nursing women, and persons sensitive to caffeine. The ingredients are carbonated water, sugar, glucose, citric acid, taurine, sodium citrate, caffeine colors, niacinamide, natural and artificial flavors, peroxidine, pyridoxine, HCl, vitamin B6, calcium, pantothenic, vitamin B12. Yeah, can't pronounce some of these words. But, people outside. Let's open this up. Smoky. Yep, there's smoke coming out of it. Yep, smells like a watermelon. Yeah. Let's try this. Alright. Summer edition Red Bull watermelon. What does it taste like? Well, it's kind of sour. It's, yeah, it's a little sour. And it basically has a watermelon flavor. It tastes like the Jolly Ranchers or whatever. The watermelon Jolly Rancher, you know? Let me see. Search up the watermelon Jolly Ranchers. I think the green one's the apple. Yeah, the watermelon Jolly Ranchers like it's like the reddish one. Yeah, the dark red one's the cherry. The green one's apple, I think. I think it's the lighter red one or the reddish pink one. I don't know. But this is basically what this tastes like. It tastes like Jolly Ranchers. The watermelon Jolly Rancher. It's pretty good though. I like it. Yeah, I really like this. It's honestly better than I expected it to taste. Usually watermelon flavored drinks I'm not a huge fan of, but this, it's actually kind of good. I think the sourness kind of makes it taste a little better. And there's 38 grams of sugar, so there's no diet aftertaste. But this is pretty darn good. I like it. It's not my favorite flavor, but favorite tasting drink, but it's still really good. Really no bitterness to it, but definitely a little sour, but I like sour drinks. And yeah, so out of 10 I'd give this a probably a 9 out of 10. I'll give it that. It's pretty darn good. Not my favorite, but it's still really good. Better than I expected. Or I'll give it a 9.5. I don't know. Gets a high review. It's pretty darn good. Other than that, really no complaints to this. In fact, you know what? Maybe I'll just give this a 10 out of 10. I don't know. I really do like the flavor of this. I'll just give it a 10 out of 10. I'll be generous. This is pretty good. Do I recommend it? Absolutely. I mean, unless you're a kid or you're a woman that is pregnant or you're sensitive to caffeine, because these are not recommended for those people. If you're one of those people, then yeah, I don't recommend this or any energy drinks, but other than that, I recommend this. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. It's really good. Really no complaints about this. But yeah. It's basically all I gotta say about this. So, yeah. was like $3 and something cents. I don't know. This is the second take that I tried doing this video. I don't know if I mentioned this in the first take or the second take, but in case I didn't mention it in this take, yeah, this was like over $3. Red Bull's not cheap. It's not a cheap energy drink at all. Usually Monster is cheaper. Monster is usually cheaper. It's usually like $2, maybe a little over $2 for a 16 ounce. But for a 12 ounce or even an 8 ounce Red Bull, those are expensive. They're like $3 or whatever. So Red Bull's not cheap. It's pretty expensive. But yeah. Anyways, this is my review video. I'll do more reviews, vlogs, rants, any other types of videos I do. So yeah. Have a good one, guys.